AVAP Framework, an API virtualization platform. Unlock the digital world from its core. Discover the power of virtual intelligent APIs for an unparalleled experience. APIs are the roads enabling apps to communicate and share data. Whether playing a game, sending money, shopping, or engaging in digital learning, APIs work behind the scenes. If you like facts, over 90% of developers use APIs, with the market expected to grow 296% by 2029, plus over 1 million open positions for tech roles. Financial institutions will triple their public APIs by 2025. Web developer and digital designer employment will grow by 16% by 2032. Enter the AVAP Framework, heralding a new era in API development. AVAP is a high-level virtual programming language for API development, enabling continuous code improvement and virtual APIs. AI guides the entire process, maximizing efficiency and productivity. AVAP Framework integrates with a suite of products, empowering APIs to be adaptable, faster, and more cost-efficient from inception through maintenance. It enhances productivity, reduces time to market, and lowers maintenance costs. Join the evolution with AVAP Framework. Imagine, manage, and maintain APIs in an API-born environment. The future of APIs is virtualization. Visit avapframework.com.